Hi. Okay. Mani bhai, thank you. Sorry. Let us start from the very beginning. Okay. So we are in a monthly, we are bullish. So how we are bullish? Because of this breakout and this engulfing buy. Okay. So, and let us go to weekly. Weekly is so much bullish, so much bullish. Like there is nothing to read yet. Okay. Let us start from the weekly. Sorry, daily is the one that we are going to talk about most now. So by the very simplistic way to identifying our, the process is by doing, if you look this part, okay. So in here, what it did actually, it did give us a QM breakout, okay. So high, low, high, high, low, low. It gave us a sell QM, okay. It eventually become a fail, totally failed. So the higher expectation is it could come here and then go up. That's the highest probability. Before going to that, so this is the so what we are seeing here is, if you look at this is the high point breakout, and again breakout happens. So basically, apart from the QM, in the daily perspective, we have broken this high also, and this is the orientation of this low. Okay, so when it has breakout this, so it seems as like, daily in a way we are in bullish. So if we check some trend line pattern, like this is the Pepperstone, you can see other broker also, like if this is the trend line on daily basis, we have some room left here. Okay, some room left here to touch that trend line. And again, if you look at this one also, just like check us. So this one also V shape to V shape. So this is another possibilities to not another possibility. So we have a room on here. The retracement figure could be on here. So if the retracement is here, that means we have this level. This is a little bit lower area now. So this is the highest high probable area as a daily basis. Okay. Now let us go to H4. So we have seen whatever we need to see in the daily area. Okay. Now let us go to the H4. H4 is giving us a little bit clear cut idea. What is little bit clear cut idea? Like the same, we have this high broken. So this is the high which is broken, and we see some little congested market on here. But look at this, we have this to this, which is has some room. So that means we can have this one as our initial H4 target. So this we have as a daily area, and in here we have this as a V level, which may respected on here. At the same time, if you look at here, we have this level breakout happen on here, and which is giving us in a higher probabilities this QM by low high, low higher high, and it gives a lot of respected on here. At the same time, in the H4 we have this one as a engulfing buy, which market is currently playing in the engulfing buy area. Now we have a smallest sell area on here, so we can see soon it goes maybe in there until it goes there. Like this is the highest probabilities. Now it may come back a little bit on here, then goes back, give us a little bit reaction. Then here, if a QM breakout happen on here, we may see some retracement till this area as a daily level, then we can move up. So this is the highest probabilities. Let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, in the lower time frame, if you look at here, see just a line chart, any breakout happen on here, like this one is the highest probabilities, this is the happens. So until unless this particular breakout is not happening, okay, like this. So we have internal ranging on here, goes up, create this short-term breakout, goes up again, come back to this flow, did not fulfill yet. So this is the highest probability, is like same, goes up there and coming there. This is all like the SNR way. Okay, SNR way. Let us go to the QM, engulfing process. In the engulfing process, if you are looking at here, we are basically in somewhere which is the very first sign you're seeing this particular engulfing failed happen. Okay, and then we do not have any engulfing buy, but this is an area where the fail happen. Okay, so anything as now when the failed happen on here, by very simplistic way, whenever the fail happen here, that means it's a buy zone. As of now, we do not have any engulfing area here. So how can we understand if it is a daily area as also in the buy zone? Look for an EF here or a breakout on here. So go to the H4, look for in this particular box area in EF we have on here. So this particular area is a buy. this buy area become failed and then become again the fail area. We have a little bit shorter area. This is the zone in the zone now. Okay, and we have this buy and become failed area. So we have also this, okay, this area. So forget about the upper area because it is a little bit above in the box. So we are playing in the box area, which is also in a sense this a level breakout, this a level breakout. Okay, this a level breakout. So now at the same time we have this engulfing area also. Market, I was expecting in the last it should come back on here a little bit. Okay, now let's go to the H1 also. In the H1, this is kind of, if you're familiar with the supply demand area, this is kind of supply and demand area we have on here. At the same time, 1 2 3 4 engulfing we have here. So market should at least come here a little bit fast, then we may see a little bit moving up. So it just came back to this box, which box is somewhere, or the aligned area. I forgot actually what is this middle box actually. Okay, this middle box is the failed area. See, the same thing. Like we buy, become failed, and become failed again. So it started on here. In essence, now we have this engulfing by in this engulfing cell. So from range to range, we have still a 70 pips range. Is not a very big range or good range. So let us check in the H2. Just let me know if I make it a little bit complex one or not. So we have a QM area on here again. Okay, we have a QM area on here in the, so sell area become a little bit attached to the buy area, which I have a little list. So maybe the market can come here and goes here. So ultimately, if we see this breakout happen, then we may see something which we have with our daily trend line and everything in here. This is the ultimate target for us. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you let me know by if you need anything to add on here, or if you get confused. Okay, bye bye.